Hello, everyone. Well, it seems it's all kicking off in France. The French farmers who are being told they need to lower their prices at the same time of rising costs for water, for petrol, etc., they have really shown their hands. Government buildings are now on fire. French motorways are being blockaded. And it just goes to show that the French, when it comes down to the wire, are not afraid to protest. Now, we all want to stop the boats. Every single one of you wants to stop the boats. But seeing how good the French are protesting, and I have been in the midst of a French protest when I lived in 2017, if we were to say, okay, all of the French fishing vessels, no, you're not allowed to fish in British waters, as is our right, seeing as we are no longer part of the EU. If we were to actually say to French fishermen, you can't fish in our waters, off your pop, can you not imagine the scenes in Calais, etc., when the French would take to the streets? Anyway, I'll leave this video here with you now, guys. So thank you very much for watching. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. See you soon. Bye for now.